This assessment asks us to tell whether the following compound is meso or not. To be meso, there are two things that need to be true. One, there needs to be a plane of symmetry in the molecule. And two, the molecule needs to have chiral centers, usually two, but can be more. Let's start with the plane of symmetry. If we look at our molecule here, remember that these pi electrons can be moved throughout the ring by resonance. As a result, we do in fact have a plane of symmetry that cuts through the center of the molecule here. Unfortunately, a chiral center is going to be a carbon most of the time at an sp3 hybridized carbon that has 4 different groups attached. It turns out that neither this nor this is a chiral center. And so this molecule having no chiral centers is not meso. It is in fact a chiral. It's a chiral because it doesn't have chiral centers, but it is not a meso compound. To be meso, you have to have chiral centers and a plane of symmetry that makes the mirror image identical. That's not the case here. This is a non-meso compound.